Hey, Motorman here with my tip of the week. This time I'm behind the camera, and I get a lot of questions from people asking me what kind of motorcycle should they buy. They've heard about the new Indians and that they're terrific motorcycles. Should they get an Indian? Should they get a Harley Davidson? Well, I really can't make that recommendation for you. They're both great motorcycles, terrific out on the road, maneuverable if you know the proper techniques. Now granted, the Harley is a little bit shorter motorcycle, shorter rake and trail, so it's going to be a bit more maneuverable than the Indian, but that's not to say that you can't maneuver your Indian quite easily with the ease of a child's toy if you know the proper techniques. Ivan here had an 800cc Suzuki. He got my video, practiced the techniques, came to the course, did very well, and decided he needed a bigger motorcycle. He bought this beautiful Indian. It's a great motorcycle, and he's going to show you what he can do with it. He's had a couple of hours practice, probably a total of about 4 hours on this motorcycle. Start it up, Ivan. Take it through the intersection. Of course, 3 techniques work on every motorcycle. If your bike has 2 wheels, one in the front, one in the back, the techniques will work. Head and eyes, friction zone, a little bit of pressure on the rear brake. You will handle with the ease of a child's toy. I don't care how big the motorcycle is. Now for you Indian riders, we do have a special for you. I'm going to show it to you right now. Let me get a close-up of this. We have Ride Like a Pro on the Indian. You can get this video for 10 bucks if you also get the Ride Like a Pro book. So you get the book and the video, $29.95. The book is normally 20 bucks, so $29.95 will get you the Ride Like a Pro book and the Ride Like a Pro on your Indian. The only difference between the Indian video and our others is we use all Indians in that video. Of course, we had a dealer furnish us with just about every model that Indian makes, and we took them all through the courses. Got 3 male riders, a female rider, a little bitty girl doing the same maneuvers. And if you really want the best possible deal we have, you can get the Ride Like a Pro book, the video, Surviving the Mean Streets, Ride Like a Pro on the Tail of the Dragon. That includes 2 videos, by the way, and Shortcuts to Riding Like a Pro for $84.75. That's right, you're saving 15 bucks. That is on our website. You can call 866-868-7433, or you could order from the website. If you want the deal with the Indian and the Ride Like a Pro book for $29.95, you got to call the toll-free number between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m., and you got to do it on Eastern Standard Time. Don't be calling me at 3 in the morning from Biafra. Till next week.